Welcome back to another Throwback Thursday. This time I'm on my way to Farmer Mike's during 2022. The goal is to get some sunflowers and pick some strawberries. It had been such a long time since I've been out in nature. The weather was overcast, but the air was refreshing. This time was a tumultuous time in my life. I felt stuck in neutral for a bit, not able to go forward nor turn back. Time felt like a slow and quiet kind of stress, the one that pushes its way through the cracks of your comfort, that seeps all the way into the crevices that appear because of a lack of trust. You will keep him in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on you, because he trusts in you. Trust in the Lord forever, for in Yahweh the Lord is everlasting strength. Isaiah 26, 3-4. I've shifted from a time of mourning to a time of healing, to a time of praise. Time feels like it's flying, and I'm not even trying to keep up. Every second that passes makes me more and more relaxed. There's no hurry here. There's no urgency. All things can wait. All pressure is gone, and only love remains. Only a calm resides. Only a peace exists. Now, I feel as if this is a great spot to be, because there's nothing else to do but praise, because there's nothing I'd rather do than pray, to talk to God for hours, to ask Him all the hard questions that I've been afraid to ask in my state of loss, to seek only His face. They say time heals all wounds, but I think God does that. After all, He's the one who created time for us. I would have lost heart unless I had believed that I would see the goodness of God in the land of the living. Psalms 27:13.